Why
This
it?
is so bad.
This is so bad.
Look and titi.
Oh!
Look and...
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So today's episode, we have a very special guest. And that is my Lola!
My name is Rosalia Umlang Miralles.
Guys, she is 89 years old. And ang gagawin naming video ngayon is, we will have a reaction video ng mga random guys on TikTok. And ipaparate natin siya kung nagustuhan niya yung video na yon. So, let's start, guys!
Skandalo. See?
Bakit 7? Bakit?
It's not good to look.
Why is it not good to look? Next
It
time.
is only... No! My anot in English is so bad. No, oh. I stand.
How many? How many? Four lang. Four. Why four?
Why
only?
you are so bad? It is not good to look.
This one.
You know what to do with that big fat
I don't like to look that one. No.
How many? That one.
Poor lang.
For only 2?
Poor. Oh, no.
This one.
Eh,
Why 8?
because it is good to look.
Not iskandalo.
Oh.
Yon.
This is already 7.
7, that one, 7.
Yeah.
How about this one?
Hey, that's pretty good.
7 only.
7, 2. This one. Rate it.
6 only.
6? Why 6?
Because it's not good to look.
It's not good to look again.
Seven only. It's not
7.
like to look. Notice iba siya. Seven only.
Why 7?
I don't like to look that
Because?
because it's no dami.
No,
No
damit
more
too.
dami.
This one.
Ten.
Wow! Nanalo na si
It's good to
Argel!
It's good to look. I don't like to look that. It's already 7 because it is no more than
No more damit. What did you say?
because God did not like to look that.
A few moments later.
7 only
Why not?
because it's no more pressure.
Sa probinsya naton, Char.
Probinsya iton.
Joke lang.
Iton
8, why 8?
because under the tree play.
Under the tree. Bum, 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 bum.
Under the tree.
Diba tree?
Yeah, may points
Tre,
pala pag
ka-
nasa probinsya.
Under her shirt man. Iton 8
Why only 8?
because it is good to look. Iton 10.
Why 10?
Because very good test kan saklay.
Wow, because basketball player.
Man. Because pala, basketballer pala. Iton, 10.
Wow, 10. Very good. How many?
9.
9?
9 average. It is good to look. It's already 10.
Yeah!
Good to look. Ay, nako. It only no
Why
more
8?
chocolate.
Why
This
8?
is so bad.
This is so bad.
Look and titi.
Oh!
Look and
Oh! Don't say!
iton. Yan.
8?
Oo.
Wow.
Yeah. It's already 10 uniform.
Why? There's no
good.
damit.
That's good. No,
The stomach is
Stomach.
showing. Why 10?
because it's not too bad.
He's hubad.
And, different lang only.
Why you give 10? So, yun guys, I hope natuwa kayo sa video namin ni lola ko. Ano kasi siya, waray. So, hindi siya masyado nakakaintindi ng Tagalog. Pero, marunong siya mag-English, di ba? You know how to speak English?
I am already speak English. Maliit la because I am old. I cannot remember another English.
Wow! So, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope to see you soon on our next videos. And please like, share, and subscribe on my channel. So, if you have any suggestions, on my next videos, feel free to comment it down below. Papahinga na yung lola ko kasi baka pagod na siya. And I hope you enjoyed this video, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye-bye.